Hello again. This is the same day, obviously. I'm rambling. This song's probably a little over ambitious. I absolutely love the musical Sweeney Todd. I've only seen the movie with Johnny Depp and obviously Helena Bonham Carter and the rest of their fabulous cast, including Alan Rickman and Timothy Spall. So yes, I'm going to sing a song that Joanna sings. Yeah, wish me luck, because you can tell my voice, as I said in the previous video, isn't fantastic lately. But we shall give it a good try. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now and just sing for you, and then that'll be it. I may sing another song. I actually love singing, but I don't know yet. Just have to see how my voice is doing. I shouldn't really be singing this, but I don't care, because it makes me feel, well, better internally. Mentally maybe, but not vocally. Yeah, anyway, I'm rambling now, so I'm going to shut up and sing for you. Thank you. Green finch and linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? How can you jubilate, sitting in cages, another taking wing? Outside the sky waits, beckoning just beyond the bars. How can you remain staring at the rain, maddened by the stars? How is it you sing? Anything, how is it you sing? My cage has many rooms, dense and dark, nothing there sings, not even my lark. Larks neither will you know when they're captive, teach me to be more adaptive. Green finch and linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to sing. If I cannot fly, let me sing. Thank you if you watched, and I may be back soon. Thanks. Bye.